欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说。
I'm Mike Delfino. I just started renting the Sims house next door.
This is Meyer. I live across the street.
I'm Mike Delfino.
我叫 Mike Delfino. 我叫 Mike Delfino.
I just started renting the Sims house next door.
刚刚开始租住了隔壁 Sims 家的房子。刚刚开始租住了隔壁 Sims 家的房子。
Susan Meyer, I live across the street.
Susan Meyer, 我住街对面。我住街对面。我们先来学一下生词。我叫 Mike Delfino. 我叫 You can use 我叫 or 我是 to introduce yourself. The difference is 我叫 is for telling your name. 我是 is to tell your name or your professional role or title, or personal or family relational title. 刚刚开始租住了隔壁 Sims 家的房子。刚刚开始租住了租住了隔壁 Sims 家的房子 Sims 家的 We'll come back to this in just a moment. 房子 Sims 家的家 family, home, domestic, anything relating to family. 的 Sims 家的 means of the Sims family. 家 is a must-learn word. You'll see it in lots of character combos. In episode 17, we learned 家居家庭. To refer to the Sims, we say Sims 一家。Sims 一家是我的邻居。The Sims are my neighbours. Also coming back to the whole sentence, notice we don't repeat 我. It's worth knowing that in Chinese, when you have a succession of statements to make and they all concern the same person, you say the subject once and you do not repeat. In English, you do for correct grammar and be well spoken, but in Chinese, if you do that, it sounds laborious. 我住街对面。我住街对面街对面对面 For across the street, we say the street's opposite side. 我们的对面是 Sims 一家。Opposite us are the Sims. 刚刚 only now, recently, a moment ago. 刚刚租住了隔壁 just rented the house next door. 她刚刚还在 she was here a moment ago. 你刚刚想说什么 What did you want to say? 我刚刚下机 I've just landed. Remember we talked about 机 in episode 17? We have 微机、手机、面包机、客机。下机 is getting off the plane. 住 to live, as in having a residence somewhere. This is one of the high-frequency words. 我住对面 I live across the street. 我住隔壁 I live next door. 你住哪儿 Where do you live? 衣食住行 Clothing, food, shelter, and transport. This is one of those so-called four-character terms, often used in the industry of tourism, city planning, or socio-economic studies. It covers the four basic needs of a community. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
Oh yeah, Ms. Huber told me about you. Said you illustrate children's books.
Yeah, I'm very big with the under 5 set. What do you do?
Plumber.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。